Hello everyone. I hope you are doing extremely well. So today we are going to solve another lead code TSA problem which is the reverse link list. Although problem बहुत फेमस प्रॉब्लम है एंड आई होप आपने ये प्रॉब्लम कई बार की भी होगी एंड मैं इसको आज समझाता हूँ बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से, ठीक है। तो लाइक दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम नंबर 206 ऑन लीड कोड। सो most of the people reverse linked list memorize. They know that previous, current and next. Okay, most of the people. So but if I ask why this work and why don't the list get lost, and why do we need two three pointers here, you can see why can't we reverse using only two pointers. Most candidates fail here, but today I'm going to teach you the intuition that interviewer actually want. Got it? So problem statement हमको एकदम clear है, like we are given the head of the single linked list as you can see, and we have to reverse the entire linked list and return the new head. As you can see in the example, this is the head and this is a new head in a reverse order. For example part, as you can see, this is the 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 4 3 2 1. This is the, you know, re- reverse linked list. Got it? So the real problem is that most of the beginner think रिवर्स करना है हमको सीधे, एंड लेकिन एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम रिवर्स करना नहीं है यहाँ। गॉट इट? एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम है कि हाउ टू बी रिवर्स एंड नोड पॉइंटर विदाउट लूजिंग द रेस्ट ऑफ द लिंक लिस्ट। ओके, हमको रिवर्स भी करना है और रिवर्स के साथ साथ हमको लिंक लिस्ट को लूज भी नहीं करना है। ओके, ठीक है। आई होप इट्स क्लियर। So important observation here is like suppose we are at 1 2 3 4 5 and actually standing at node 1, for example. Let's assume if I directly do like current dot next equal to previous. If I directly do like current dot next equal to previous, it means what? Current dot next equal to previous means 1 will be replaced by 2 place and 2 will be replaced with 1 place. Then 1 will be replaces with the null. For example, if current is null, okay, then 1 will be replaced by null. But हमको क्या है, 2 3 4 5 का रेफरेंस तो हम खो देंगे ना। हाँ, अगर हम लोग नल से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो 1 जो है हमारा नल नल को पॉइंट करेगा, लाइक दिस, कुछ इस तरह से 1 इज इक्वल टू नल, लाइक दिस। 1 हमारा नल को पॉइंट करेगा, लेकिन जो रेस्ट ऑफ द लिस्ट है लाइक 2 3 4 5, इसको हम खो देंगे। ठीक है, आई होप इट्स क्लियर। लिंक लिस्ट टूट जाएगी। सो दिस इज द बिगेस्ट इशू हियर, सो दैट वी नीड टू रिजॉल्व। ओके, so reverse linked list is not just reversing a problem, so it's actually data loss prevention problem. Okay, this is the most important thing that you need to understand here. So why we are using here three pointers like previous, current and next? So let's explain one by one. For a previous pointer, we already reverse part. Example, for example, this is like null 1 2. This is our reverse part. Okay, previous point is here, but current pointer, where is current pointer? Current node being proceed, which is here on 3. Previous will be here, but current will be here. Got it? For next, store the future node. Future node means we like 4 and 5 will be our future node. So current will be next will be manage the future node. Okay, so it means that the next pointer will be save the remaining before the reversing. So in this example, as you can see, like for every node is connected to each other. Okay, so simple intuition is that every node is connected with each other, and before breaking one connection, store the next node, and otherwise our linked list will be lost, get lost. Okay, so the next will be store the our current node. Like I don't want to lost my next. Sorry, I don't want to lost my next linked list. So that's why I'm storing in a next pointer. So as you can see in the coding code part here, as you can see there is a list previous is equal to null, list node previous equal to null. We have already assigned the null. List node current equal to head, and we will check that condition while current is not equal to null. And list node next equal to current next, and current next is equal to previous, and previous next, and current next. Okay, so let's try them one by one. For example, we have to given this input, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we have to given this node initially stage. For initial state, previous equal to null, got current equal to 1. Then what next? नेक्स्ट में हमारा क्या होगा? ओके, ठीक है, देखते हैं। अभी तो कुछ नहीं है, बट आइट्रेशन करते हैं। पहली आइट्रेशन को स्टार्ट करते हैं, देन हम लोग आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे। फर्स्ट आइट्रेशन जब स्टार्ट करेंगे, हम व्हाइल लूप चेक करेंगे। करंट इज नॉट इक्वल टू, ऑब्वियसली करंट इज नॉट इक्वल टू नल है। लिस्ट नोट नेक्स्ट इक्वल टू करंट नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट इक्वल टू करंट नेक्स्ट। व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मीन्स दैट नेक्स्ट में हमारा क्या आ जाएगा? 2। नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट हमारा कहाँ पर है? इक्वल टू करंट नेक्स्ट। हमारा नेक्स्ट ये है, करंट का नेक्स्ट ये है, इसमें हमारा 2 आ जाएगा। ओके, सो आफ्टर रिवर्सिंग द लिंक लिस्ट, द करंट नेक्स्ट इक्वल टू प्रीवियस। This is the main line here. We are reversing the linked list using this concept here. Current next equal to previous. It means that now one will be pointed to null. Now previous equal to current. It means that previous is equal to 1. After previous equal to current, we will assign the 1 into the previous. Now we will move to the current pointer. Current equal to next. What does it mean? Current equal to next means current equal to 2, because previously in the next we already assigned the 2. So the current structure will be looks like this is the null, like this. For example, null 1, 1 will be pointed to null, and now 2 will be pointed to 3, and 3 will be pointed to 4, and 4 will be pointed to 5. Current structure looks like this. Now iteration 2. move on to the iteration number 2, which is next equal to, now next will be pointed to here, next equal to current next. Now next is pointing to here, and after reverse, now we will reversing here, current next equal to previous. After reversing, we will reverse 2 and 1, 1 here and 2 here. Now we will reverse these two elements. Then we will move on to the previous 2, and now current equal to 3. Got it? Previous 2 and current is 3. Now structure will be looks like this will here, and this is looks like this. Got it? I hope it's clear. For iteration 3, now next will be move on to here. Reverse 2 and 3. Now we will reverse the 2 and 3, which is 3 2. Okay. Then structure will be looks like this. Now previous equal to 3 and current will be 4, something like that. So one by one we will reverse each element using this concept. Okay, finally we will got the answer. Final answer will be looks like null, will be point 1 will be pointing to null, this will 2 will be pointing to this, 3 4 5, or simply written previous, because previous equal to 5, which become new head. Now 5 will be our new head. Okay, so after every iteration, previous side is equal to already reversed, and current side equal to not proceed yet. Okay, so list is always divided into two parts, which is the reverse part and unproceed part. So this we can say that this is the invariant remains true throughout the algorithm. Okay, so at the end of the loop, current become null, means no node is left. When the current become null, it means that no node is left. So we will simply, previous is standing at the last proceed node, but previous is standing here na, which is 5. Then new head will be 5, therefore we are returning the previous. Okay, as you can see. So although also you can use here the another approach, which is the reverse, sorry, recursion approach, but which is not optimal. When we are using the recursion, so in a iterative the time complexity, as we can see, we are iterating only one while loop. So the time complexity is the ego of n, space complexity is one. But in a recursive approach, the time complexity is we go up and which will remain same, but space complexity will be increased, because each time the reverse, sorry, recursion call and take some space to store the recursive stack in the memory. That's why mm, we are using the iterative approach here. because we are using the recursion stack in a recursive approach. That's why the space complexity will be decreased from constant to big O of n. Yeah, so I hope it's clear. So thank you so much for watching this video.